Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your world from a backup in the mini world CREATA game. First, look for your worlds under Start. In here under Mine, you'll see your worlds. Tap on the world you want to restore, then on the settings icon, then backup/restore. If you have any backups, you can tap on Restore to restore your world from that given backup. If you don't have any backups, you can make one and then restore to it later. But that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.